And now we'd like to move on to the SME category, small and medium-sized enterprises category. And this category award goes to Sugie Seito. And we will have a representative from Sugie Seito making presentation about the project. I'm Hiroyuki Sugie from the sales department of Sugie. I'm very, very honored to be standing here in front of you all to be receiving this prestigious award. And the cable protection pipes for underground installation, Seradact, and our track record is what I'd like to cover in my short presentation. First of all, about our company. We're based in Aichi Prefecture, factories there too, and we do have branches in East Japan, West Japan, and Singapore. And we manufacture and sell perforated ceramic pipes for underground cable protection. So back in 1906 is when we established our business as a Sugie Pottery. There are three items I'd like to cover in this presentation. First is a perforated ceramic tubes, what it is, the Seradact. And second topic will be the how we've been doing our business overseas. And three is the Seradact to reduce the CO2 emission. First, what is a Seradact, the perforated ceramic tubes that we manufacture? This is a quite versatile tubes. We can shape them in many different forms, and that's used in many different construction sites, including airports, ports, tunnels, power stations, etc., etc. Also, the underground the tunnel for the electric cable. And we do have a track record of this being used for 30 different airports. And for tunnels, this been very valuable materials because this will be fire resistant. And this will be a very efficient cable tubes for very limited space. With a great track record inside Japan, we've decided to go global with the Seradact Global. And we do have three advantages to this product. First is that the cross-section of duct line is very compact. And the second is that the compressive strength is excellent. And the third strength is that the product construction is super simple. And because of these advantages, we can minimize the cost and the shorten the lead time that our clients would need in achieving their goal. And we've been supported by many business partners in building up a great track record at Seradact. It's quite heavy materials. So at the beginning, many people thought that it would be difficult to export this. It wouldn't make economically. But we had a project in Okinawa, and we discovered that the transportation cost is not as much as we thought. And we started going global, but we had no track record doing business outside. And it was very, very difficult to break the barrier. But there was this international business promoting workshop that was led by Ministry of Land Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism. And we took a part in those initiatives, and we gradually started making a presence and gradually built up success. This is Singapore, Changi International Airport. We do have two phases, and the two projects, and one is 700 meter, another one is also 700 meter. It started back in 2016, and it went completed back in 2019. We actually did the demonstration, bringing our product, and then we showcased in how quickly they can complete the plan they had, and we managed to contribute to making the lead time to be 1/3 of the original plan. This is the second one Bangladesh, Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport. This too was impacted by COVID, and we couldn't fly freely to the local area. So we managed to manage the project remotely from Japan. We were reputed highly that our remote management was worked quite effective, that it could harness the capabilities of the local people. And you'd have continued to be bold outside of Japan. We have all these lead project. We're going to be targeting Asia, various regions to be our success building the ground. And this is the CO2 emission contribution we can bring with the Ceraduct, and this is a comparison with the regular cement or the concrete. And by replacing other materials with the Ceraduct, we can see that you can reduce as much as 70% of CO2 emission. And we will be harnessing the strength of the ceramics, and would like to contribute to society and businesses in many different ways. Thank you very much for your listening, and thank you very much once again for the award.